Zara, what you doing? Which cake? Can you show me? Zara, can I have some?
Yeah.
Okay, is it gonna be yummy? Okay, thank you. All right, I see. Tell me about this.
This is chocolate real cake mix, and then we will do the cake. Zara, come.
Make it with chocolate and make it with cream. Make it the prettiest you've ever seen. Pattern cake, baby man. Make me a cake as fast as you can.
Zara? All right, Zara, once your cake is ready, are you going to show us?
Sean, can you take out the mixer?
Pattern cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Break it and pat it and mark it with B and put it in the oven for baby and me. Make it with chocolate and make it with cream. Make it the prettiest you've ever seen. Pattern cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Five spoons. No. Six. Zara, no. Kami tawara baba. No, I don't come. Asta no cover chocolate.
Yeah.
Asta baby. Asta no when chocolate mixture baby. Mixture baby.
Zara, what do you need that for? For the cake. Okay, could you tell me what that is exactly? What do you do with it? And then what do I do? But I'm not, Zara, I'm not the chef. That's the head chef, you're the sous chef, so you have to ask the head chef to open it. Mama's the head chef, you are the sous chef. What are you? Say open, head chef. Good. You say yes, sous chef.
Yes, chef.
Alright, bye-bye. Show me when the cake is ready, yeah?
So I'm using my hand to grease the thing.
Where's your brush?
But my daughter is painting the brush. See?
So what is this?
This is the cake tin.
Any type of butter? What butter do you use?
This is the flora butter that you can use any type of butter. And now, look. Just let me rinse my hand. How can you open the...
I'm hungry.
Now we are taking out the cake picture. Got to the oven.